I'm Samuel, and welcome to an episode of the Property Management How-To Guide. Now in this episode, we're talking about something very important, and that is fire safety. Right, so what we're going to talk about today is how to avoid having a fire in your home. Trust me, I've been there and done that. We had those romantic dinners cooked, candles lit and everything. Just make sure you blow them out once you're done. Also, I know you've been whipping up a storm in the kitchen. Just make sure you've turned off the stove. And also, most importantly, what we're going to go through now is check your fire alarms once a week. So when you're looking at your fire alarm and it shows a flashing light, that usually indicates that it has power and it's working. However, you should still use the test button to make sure the sound is working properly. So when you push the test button, the alarm should sound. Beware, it is very loud. So if you push the button and the smoke alarm doesn't sound, you may need to replace the batteries. If that still doesn't work, then you may need to give us a call, property managers, and we'll come and get that fixed for you. So if you can't reach the smoke alarm, just use something stable to stand on, or you could always use a broom to help you reach. There are some detectors that turn off after a few seconds. However, there are some others that need a push of a button again for the sound to stop. That's pretty much it. Do check your smoke alarms on a weekly basis, and thank you for tuning in.